As I stand here, I can feel the electric anticipation in the air. The countdown begins, and with each passing second, the weight of gravity seems to lift, just like the rocket about to defy it. Imagine the sheer power of thousands of engines igniting, sending a colossal machine soaring into the vast unknown. This is not just a launch. It's humanity's relentless pursuit of exploration. Every rocket ship that takes off carries with it the dreams of countless individuals, scientists, engineers, and dreamers who dare to look up at the stars and wonder. The journey to space is a testament to our ingenuity, a reminder that we are capable of achieving the extraordinary. As the rocket ascends, it pierces through the atmosphere, leaving behind the familiar blue skies, entering a realm where the laws of physics bend and the possibilities are limitless. Each mission brings us closer to understanding our universe, from the mysteries of distant planets to the origins of life itself. In this moment, we are not just spectators, we are part of something greater. We are explorers, adventurers, and pioneers, united by our curiosity and our desire to reach beyond the horizon. So, let us celebrate this moment, for every launch is a leap into the future, a step toward unlocking the secrets of the cosmos.